If you are over 40 and still haven't started an online business or whatever you wanted to start, I've got news for you. Most people don't start, and most people regret it later and even die in regret. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go past your fears, past your limiting beliefs, doubts, and excuses, and start your first step towards financial freedom. You ever felt like standing on the edge of something new and you're just frozen? Your legs won't move. Like there is an invisible wall between you and what you want to start, and you just cannot go through it. Let me tell you something very personal. A few years ago, I was sitting in my job, same desk, same paycheck, and wondering, is this really I want to do for the rest of my life, or at least until 65? But every time I thought about starting something online, something that can change my life, I was thinking about something along the lines of, you're too old, it's too late, you don't know enough to do this. What if you fail and people laugh at you? Sounds familiar? It was like I was carrying a backpack with a lot of bricks, and the bricks were fear and my limiting beliefs and what will people tell. And here is the kicker. Most of these bricks weren't even mine. They were given to me by school, by beliefs, by norms and culture around me, and society, and usually from people who gave up from their dreams. Because they gave up from their dreams, they want you to give up from your dreams. Starting an online business was like jumping in the pool knowing you can't swim. But guess what? The water is not that deep. And most of the fear were just shadows. Like when you were a kid and you were afraid to ride a bike, or you were afraid of the monster in your closet. But when you turned on the light, you realized there is no monster. It was just a jacket hanging weird. You don't need to be tech savvy. You are not too old. You know enough. Especially if you are over 40, you have this life experience behind you that younger people don't have. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to have a lot of followers. You don't have to have all figured out. You just need one thing, a decision, a first step. You just need to start. A decision that is telling your fear it's done. You are not letting your fear drive your car or run your life. Because if you let it, you will never start. And then when you are old, you will just regret not starting. You see what I mean? And none of us just want to stay in the 70s and think about, oh, I regret this or I regret that. In the videos on this channel, I am helping you for free to start something online that could change your life. That if you make that decision, if you create your first digital product, if you make a first sale, if you're using affiliate products and you get your first commission, even if it's 20 cents, is the best feeling in the world, because you will let go of your fears and your limiting beliefs that are keeping you stuck to the desk, to the old job, old paycheck until 65. It's not too late. You are not too old. You just need a leap of faith and a guide like me that will help you for free, because I have this experience and I was at the same place that you are now. So comment below, what are your biggest fears that are keeping you from starting something online? Hit that like button if this hits home, and subscribe to this channel and watch the videos, because they all talk to you. They all talk to people who just need a nudge to get started with useful resources and guides to help you start it. See you in the next one.